Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a beautiful winter flowering plant, Gazania. So let's get started. First, we will use a stone to cover a drainage hole. Make sure that the pot has at least 3 to 4 drainage holes at the bottom. And for potting mix, I am using 40% of soil, 30% of river sand and 30% of cow dung. Instead of cow dung, you can use vermicompost also as a organic compost. This plant loves well-drained soil. That's why do not need to worry much about potting mix. Just make sure the soil is well drained. During blooming season, you can use either onion peel fertilizer or banana peel fertilizer. This will help to increase bloom. Next, sunlight. Sunlight plays an important role in the growth of Gazania plant. Make sure it gets direct sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours daily for a healthy growth. However, during hot summer days, you can place the pot under partial shade. This will help to save your plant for the next season. Gazania plant does not love too much moist soil. Prefer adding water only when the top 1 to 2 inch layer of the soil becomes dry. Also make sure that the drainage hole is functioning properly. Any blockage in the drainage holes can result in waterlogging problem. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Plant more plants.